This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start now, take your freshly juiced pulp and remove any large seeds and woody stems. This prevents bitter bits later. You want uniform texture, so press the pulp through a fine mesh or use a spoon to squeeze out residual juice. You'll capture flavor and reduce waste. Once drained, weigh or measure the pulp. Knowing 1 cup equals about 120 grams helps scale recipes. Store briefly at 4 degrees or proceed to cooking. The fresher the pulp, the brighter the flavor, and the better the final texture. Now convert pulp into usable components. If making spreads or soups, sauté aromatics in 1 tablespoon oil, add pulp, and simmer 5 to 10 minutes to concentrate flavor. This reduces excess moisture. For fritters or patties, mix 2 cups pulp with 1 egg or 1/2 cup flour as a binder, shape and pan fry until golden. Once done, balance taste with acid like 1 teaspoon lemon and salt. Acidity brightens muted vegetable notes and ties the dish together, so taste and adjust gradually. Finish by cooling cooked pulp on a tray to stop carryover cooking, then portion and refrigerate up to 4 days or freeze in 1 to 2 cup portions for later. You can fold pulp into baked goods, smoothies, or sauces to add fiber and flavor, and if any batch seems past its prime, compost it rather than waste. If your prepared pulp is soggy, don't panic. Mix in breadcrumbs or cornmeal, or spread on a baking sheet, and roast at 200 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes to restore texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.